Vortex means whirling, like a whirlpool or whirlwind. Vortex coils are so beautiful, which can be used as rows, and it is easy to make, but it needs some patience. But the patience will be rewarded. Here we go to our vortex coil cards. This is Agnes from Agnes Craft. The supplies are listed in the YouTube description below. Click on the like button if you like the video. To start with, I glue down 3 different shades of pink color quilling strips to form one longer strip. Then I use the handle of a crochet hook to make a coil. You can use your quilling slaughter tool also, but make sure you don't put the strip inside the slot to begin. The trick is to get a big hole in the center. I pull out the coil after I make few layers and continue to coil with my hands. Make a tight coil with the center with a hole. The longer the strip, more beautiful the vortex will be, but you can make it with one single strip also. On completing the coil, I press it from the sides so that it forms an oval shape. Press it as tight as possible so that the whole coil gets compressed. Then take out a circle scale. Place the coil in a bigger circle than the size of the coil which we just made. It will unwind, forming a triangle shape. When it stops to unwind, use a sharper tip. Here I use my needle tool. You can use a toothpick or anything that is pointy. Unwind every layer from outside of the coil moving towards the center. You can see the vortex building up. This takes some time and needs patience than our usual loose coils. When you come to the center, leave the centermost layer without unwinding. This helps to keep the vortex remain in shape. Then I just glue the end of the strip to the coil. You can see the beautiful vortex coil. It always reminds me of roses. Here I have made few vortex coils with light shade in the center and dark shade in the corners and vice versa. The next one is using a single color and single strip. This one is using another combination of pink. For the leaves, I use dark green color. Make a loose coil and glue it to a leaf shape. I use a 4 1/4 into 5 1/2 inch white note card, which is 300 GSM. I take my light green pigment ink cube and just press it down randomly to leave a few spots of green on the card. Then I glue down 3 of the vortex coils along with few leaves. For the sentiment, I used "You Are Amazing" from the Rosie Studios foil clear sticker set. To keep my sentiment straight, I put my card under the quilling strip, which I adhered the corners to a cutting mat with micropore tape. I just tuck my card, check whether its base is straight on the line of the cutting mat, and then stick the sentiment so that it will be straight. I cut off the excess sticker which is left outside of the card and thus finishing the card. This is another card using the same technique of vortex coils. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Leave your valuable comments in the comment section below.